wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a man that gets it.
Well, this is just an update. It's 5/9/25, and here's Blue in the garage. And just want to give you an update because we haven't been riding and posting because my baby Cakes had her replacement knee replaced. So she's in.
You should be videotaping your face, so cancel it.
Oh, cancel this? I should be taping myself.
Start over.
No, just keep going.
Say hi, fans.
Hi fans. My baby told me I had to put hi fans, so maybe I will start over.
Yeah.
Hi baby.
Hi.
Hi everybody. It's May 9th, and just want to give you an update why we haven't been posting anything on our channel. Rita had her replacement knee replaced a little over a month ago, so she's recuperating from that. So Blue is sitting here in the garage
Collecting dust.
waiting, and it's ready to go. It's all inspected, oil changed, it's all set. We just wait for my baby to say, let's get on the bike and go, when she can. So I'll just gonna be a small little post, and just to let you know where we stand. But we will be getting out there for 2025, and the weather hasn't been that great.
No.
The weather's been rainy. We get 3 or 4 days of rain. Matter of fact, tonight it's supposed to go down, what, 35 degrees? So the heat will be coming on again. Damn it. We can't get rid of it. So, in the meantime, I've been playing on my 3D printer and doing stuff. Which that broke the other day. About 2 weeks ago, one of the pins on the circuit board broke off. I'm waiting for a new pin to come in. And this is one of my latest wind spinners that I downloaded. I don't know if you can see it. It's a sunflower. So that's one of the last ones I made. And because I got a new printer. I can print up, right now it has 4 colors that can print. But I can print, if I add on to it, I can go up to 16 colors at a time, which it'll take forever to print something like that. Because every layer, if there's a color change on it, it has to purge and cut the filament and load it and unload it. And oh, I said that backwards. But anyways, you get the drift. So this is where we stand. I just want to let you know. So hang in there. We will be back. She's on the bike. Okay. I don't know where we're going to put the crutches there.
Get a put a tie on it, and you can tie it to the helmet.
Oh, sure. She had to get on the bike. She can get it. What is it? A week and a half off of surgery. And she's on the bike.
Yep.
See that sexy knee? Woo! Woo!
See my boots?
Oh yeah. Okay. Her knee replacement. Her replacement knee replacement. We found a place to put the crutches. We'll put them in the frunk.
I'll get on it.
She's on it. Another couple weeks, she'll be fine.
Yeah, fine.